Barangay Sauyo, Tricycle Operators Drivers Association President Robert De La Cruz and his PRO Boyet Ilani.
Tingin sa camera.
United Senior Citizen from Barangay Batasan Hills. Samahan ng Kabataan, Ilang-Ilang, Barangay Batasan. Samako Association. Samahan ng Makati sa Gloria Extension, Purok-Linet, Julia Benjola and Company. Purok Ella and Company, Barangay Batasan Hills. And Purok Lilia, Sasagrado. Kalalapi, Bukas, Purok Leader, Nora Lumibaw. Friends of Captain Lito, Barangay represented by Jenny and Leonie Bauti.